Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Now I'm going to compare Motorola G72 versus Infinix Note 12 Pro with full specifications like display, design, performance, AnTuTu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Motorola G72 has a 6.55 inches screen, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has a 6.7 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Motorola G72 comes with Oled display, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Motorola G72 has a 410 pixels density, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has 393 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Motorola G72 has 86.5% and Infinix Note 12 Pro has 86.2%. In a refresh rate comparison, Motorola G72 supports up to 120Hz high refresh rate, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro supports up to 60Hz higher refresh rate. Motorola G72 comes with Panda Glass display protection, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Motorola G72 has 160.5 mm, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has 164.3 mm. Motorola G72 has 74.4 mm in the width, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has 76.5 mm width. Motorola G72 has 7.9 mm in the thickness, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has 7.8 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Motorola G72 has 166 grams, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has 192 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Motorola G72 comes with two different colors, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Motorola G72 has a triple camera setup, including a 108 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. And the Infinix Note 12 Pro also has a triple camera setup, including a 108 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Motorola G72 supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Motorola G72 comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Motorola G72 comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Motorola G72 supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Motorola G72 comes with a Mali G57 GPU, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also comes with a Mali G57 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Motorola G72 comes with a stock Android-based Android 12 operating system, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro comes with XOS-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Motorola G72 comes in a single variant, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Whereas the Infinix Note 12 Pro also comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones comes with a memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Motorola G72 is 5000 mAh, and in the Infinix Note 12 Pro also has 5000 mAh. Motorola G72 supports 33 watts fast charge, and the Infinix Note 12 Pro also supports 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with a NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones doesn't supports 5G network. Motorola G72 comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Motorola G72 has a Bluetooth 5.1 version, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an AnTuTu benchmark score comparison, Motorola G72 has scored 373,570, while the Infinix Note 12 Pro has scored 380,698. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Motorola G72, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 18,999 rupees. Infinix Note 12 Pro, the 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 14,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.